Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel on the weekly time frame chart and this significant support zone. And I would like to show you this descending triangle and this breakout from this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart and this breakout from the falling wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line of Bitcoin is moving inside a very long-term down channel. And in order to start a big move from here, first we need to break out this long-term resistance, and you can see we are very close to break out this resistance. It is moving very close to this resistance of the down channel. And this is a key support zone that I'm showing you almost in my every video, that starts from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. And why it is a significant support zone? Because here we are also forming a huge double bottom pattern as well. And previously we can see in the previous history, back in the December 2020, it was breaking at a strong support and resistance on the weekly time frame. And in December 2017, it was breaking at a strong resistance here and here as well. And right now you can see that the price line is not breaking down. Whenever it is moving down inside this support zone, it is nicely moving up. And this time we are very close to this resistance as well, and we are having this support and the formation of this double bottom as well. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here Bitcoin has already broken out this smaller falling wedge pattern, but rejected by this resistance of the triangle. And you can see that the movement is now quite squeezed now, and soon it can break out or break down the support or resistance. And this will be a very, very significant breakout if it happens, because this breakout can lead the price line to break out a bigger down channel on the weekly time frame chart as well. Now, if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then this was the move that I was showing you in my previous videos, and even so many previous videos I have been showing you this breakout when it was happening, and even before this breakout I have been showing you this wedge. And after breaking out, then when we were testing this previous resistance of wedge as a support, at the same time we were having a bullish divergence on this chart as the price line was forming lower than previous low, but RSI stochastic was forming higher low than previous low. And yesterday when I shared my last video with you, at that time I was telling you that stochastic is again forming lower than previous low, but the price line is forming higher low than previous low. Therefore, we can expect another reversal move from here, because here we have this time a hidden bullish divergence. And right now you can see that the price line has started this reversal move, and so far it has rallied up to $19,539. Now, for example, if the price line hits the target of this wedge that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately $20,400. In that situation, it can also break out this triangle as well. And the target for this triangle, if the price line will be able to break it out, let me just show you the target. If we break out this triangle, can be here approximately at $31,000. And in that situation, we can also break out this bigger down channel as well. And by the way, this will be a key resistance at $28,600. That can be a big hurdle for the price line to start a big move from here. And by the way, once Bitcoin will be able to break it out, because previously this level was working as a very strong support on this weekly time frame chart, then after breaking out it can flip into a strong support. And the target for breaking out this bigger channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $65,000 to $67,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.